Okay, so this is TV411. So I like to use this website. There's a lot of different resources in here, so I just wanted to highlight that. You can have students sign in and make an account, but that is not necessary to access all of it. So the way that it works, um, on the sides here, there are web lessons and then print downloads, um, and that's kind of how it's broken up. So I like the web lessons. Those are really good because they all have multiple sections and they're kind of all in the same format. So this one is tips for multiple choice questions. And then you can go through. So there's 3 activities. This part has 8 questions. The next activity is usually some kind of like this, where you check the boxes, that has 3 questions. And then the last activity, um, this one is a set of 10 more questions. And then when you go through that, and it will give you the answer as you go, it will check it. Sometimes there are some errors with the answers in a couple of the lessons that I am aware of. So make sure you're checking. And then when you get to the end, I like this part as well because it has a little overview. It should tell you what you should have learned. And then this on your own part just gives you some more kind of extension activities. And there are some good ones there. So that was in reading. There's also a writing section, writing an autobiography, editing checklist, writing a cover letter, vocabulary, words with multiple meanings. There's some math and science, which is fun, using a calculator, place value. These could be really good. Rates, ratios, fraction, percent, using percents, multiple percents, polygons, and area. And then there's also science, and the science does have a math and science, so water, but there's a science lesson for it and a math lesson. So if you wanted to do some collaborative units, they kind of have that already set up there for you. More print downloads. And they also have videos. The videos are fairly short, just a few minutes. This one's 8 minutes actually. But you can include there, and then it gives you on the side here kind of related things. So graphs and charts, water, math, and science lessons, science and news, and then any print resources. And then there's also a financial one, reading a pay stub, etc. And it has the videos and those web lessons. And anyone that has a web lesson, so all of these, it's going to be basically in that same format with the 3 sections and then those extension activities at the end. This one is a matching for the last one. And then you can see here, explore the galaxy when writing checks and counting little things. So just some fun extension activities that vary based on what the lesson is. And again, you can search the whole site if you're looking for anything in particular. I have found I definitely like using some of the reading, the math, the science, the writing, and vocab lessons when I have taught before.